What's up guys, we're in Ameya Yokocho here in Ueno, Tokyo. Today I want to show you what this old school black market used to be like, or kind of is now. And also there's a cool mixing, melting pot of all cultures and stuff here. Right on my left they have the Ueno, Don Quixote, and then also these cool stuff here. Pretty good prices, you know, compared to other places in Tokyo. So if you're here in Tokyo and you want to shop and you're trying to get some goods that are pretty cheap and decent price and some good eats, this is the place to come. Look at this. This is the place also that has street foods, like all types of street food. Look at all the dishes that they have. Salmon, all this fatty tuna, good stuff. Like I said, if you're going shopping, even for souvenirs, you might want to come check this place out. Yeah, this is a food stall. And then you got some clothes. Look at the clothes here. 400 yen. That's like $3. Look at that. Also at nighttime, this place does get really lively. Like so much people. And then they have all these vendors and sellers. I know that one sells coffee. Then here's some nuts. And there's also some cool foods that are food stalls that even have like seafood, like really good seafoods. We're also here to get some lunch. So yeah, let's go check it out. This is Ameya Yokocho in Ueno. So some of the stores here are like army surplus, like this one, Nakata, here in Ueno. They sell all these coal camouflage and all that stuff. Ueno is known for World War II black markets type of stuff. They do have vlogs of it. Please check it out. I'm not gonna go into detail and telling you a little about this place, but we'll just go ahead and stroll around and see what we can see. Here in Ameya Yokocho, it's known for all these cool cultures, Chinese cultures, Korean cultures, and they have all these types of foods, and not just foods. There's army surplus stores and cool cheap goods that you could get here and buy. Oh, also the food. There's some street foods here, some cool bars, stand-up bars in this place here in Ameya Yokocho in Ueno, Tokyo, Japan. So they have stores like this. This one's called London Sports, where they have like overruns and cheap goods for like sporting gears and clothes like Adidas, Nikes and all that. And yeah, even New Balance. And then there's more cool tees here and all types of stuff. This is Garamichi, I think. I'm not sure. And then of course a drugstore. Look at this, shoes. So if you're looking for some cool shoes, they also have it here. There's New Balance, there's Nikes and more. Even here, look at these. Also, for those who ask, that I always see in the Facebook groups, right near Aras Kebab, there is Carry. They have some really cheap luggages that if you're gonna need to buy some for your trip or your travels back, you can come here and check it out. Look at the prices. 4,900 yen. That's about like $35 for that luggage, and it's pretty cheap compared to buying it in Donkey and other places. But yes, I do recommend you come check this out. It's called Carry here in Ueno. It's right near this entrance on the right side when you're coming from Ameya Yokocho entrance. Also right near Aras Kebab, in case you're wondering, because I do see those comments a lot. I do see those people asking where to get luggages and where to find cheap luggages and goods. Ueno is your stop for that. There's also all these other cool souvenirs and shops stuff that you could get here at these shops. But some of the teas are cheap, some are pretty pricey. And there's also some thrift shops also. This one over here is like a Berry Moon. They used to have a bug machine over there, like where you could buy bugs and actually eat the bugs. This side is more for shopping. If you see this sign right here, that's more for shopping. And on the left side over here is more for the foods, the grills, the stand-up bars. And stand-up bars are usually under the tracks, but come check it out. Look at this. This one's by Chinese people and have some really good food. Hello. Hi. What is this? Pig feet?
Big fish.
I can take and walk or take out, okay?
Okay.
Oh, okay. All right. Super beautiful food. Thank you. And they have over here, looks like seafood. There's ebi and unagi, which is like eel. That is cool. And there's some dried seafood. Look at that. And some tuna. And in these shops here, they have some cool cheap stuff. So it's like a little sushi spot. And again, the fresh seafood seafood market over here. Hey kuya, shoutouts, shoutouts.
Shoutout sa family ko dyan sa Pinas.
Saan?
Sa
QC?
Tabacaw daw, Batangas City.
Oh, Batangas. Shoutouts to Batangas. I'm from QC.
Anong page mo?
Huh?
Anong page mo?
Visual postcards with Mark. Yeah, you could just type that in. Or right here, Puke 13, not Puke, but Puke 13. Yeah, thank you. Bye guys, stay safe. Got some cool people saying shoutouts, and then you got the cool seafood that they have here. There's even the mini lobster tails. That is cool. These fishes are still alive. Some of them are still jumping. There's some squid. Yeah, and oh, the smell is very fishy, but yeah, that's pretty cool. And then they have more of the fruits that are for sale. I think they're candy fruits. Some of them are like dipped in sugar. Yeah, that looks very good if you like fruits. I personally, I don't eat fruits. Kind of weird, but I don't. And here's one of those stand-up bars or bars that they have where you can drink. More fruits on a stick. Hello. Here in Ueno, there's some beautiful grapes, beautiful looking fruits here, and Uncle Joe's. We're gonna go ahead and show you this fast walkthrough of Ueno Ameyoko and all the food that they have. Here's another kebab shop. This one's called Oscar Chicken Man. Oscar's Kebab. Oscar Chicken Man here. It's a kebab. And then this one has Freak Market. This is Freak Market, where if you're looking for those trending bomber jackets with Japanese design and sewing, this is where you're gonna get it at over here. There's even some cool one piece and more. The food here also, the sushi, the seafood like to-goes and stand-up stuff are actually cheaper to get here. That's why a lot of people and even vloggers come here a lot to eat. So if you watch like Rion, he does some vlogs here and he eats here. There's also some infusion, like I was saying, a culture pot, mixed culture pot of cultures. So there's a lot of Chinese food as well. And of course, some cheap goods. 2-piece for $2.20 or about $20 for these little cool wallets. Whew. Good breeze right here. The aircon is blowing through. But if we cross through there, we're going to Amemura, which is not really American Alley. Ameya Yokocho. Yeah, American Alley pretty much. But look at these bowls. The salmon roll bowl. This one, this tuna sashimi, really good looking one, and more. And then some more of the seafoods they have here. They have some shrimp, some fish. That's cool stuff. I think those are oysters. Wow, look at that, the big tiger prawns, shrimps. This one is the king crab and unagi that they sell here. Very awesome. And peaches. And then of course like some bagaong or shrimp paste. So if you come here, they're not like 24 hours, so there is a closing time. When you come here around 9 o'clock, you'll see most of these stores start closing up, except for the food stalls. The street food here, they kind of go till, I'm not so sure. I haven't stayed out here that late, but they kind of go. So if you're kind of hungry or trying to get a drink, this might be a place for you to check out at nighttime. But here is dried goods. That looks good. Look at that. I have some dried squid. Hello, half a day. Some dried squid and more. Look at that. I like even the font of this place. Very beautiful looking. And of course, like I said earlier, there's cheap shoes here. This one, it looks like ABC Mart. I'm not so sure. And like I said earlier, this is old like World War II thing. So they have a lot of military surplus stuff. So you can see all this camouflage, military kind of wear and gear. We're gonna go ahead and cross over this way, because this way also has more bars and cool stuff to check out. If we go more down, like through here, there's all these hidden alleyway, I guess shopping markets that you can check out. Some also good pants. Like if you're looking for like for denim, there's some good denim over there. This one I'm not so sure. Awesome. It's an old vintage record store. And just over there from Ameya Yokocho, if you go through here, you can already see the Skytree. Just down there. Skytree is over there at Oshiage, but it's also close near Sakusa, the Kaminarimon market, and Nakamise Dori. Yeah, but that's cool. You can see the Skytree. And then this alleyway has more like American brands. That's why if you see, it's kind of like the theme as like Ameya Yokocho's American Yokocho, which is like an alleyway. And you see there, Ueno Americaya, as it shows. There's even red cap and more like sportswear. Good deals here though, very good deals. And of course, like I said, a lot of the American brands. And as you can hear, the train passing above me is Yamanote line. That's a nice shirt. Pandas and stuff. United States Air Force. I like that. That one. Have them right under there. It's hot, but the wind is cold, so it's very ironic. So we're still in Ueno, Ameya Yokocho, and I'm showing you guys around. Also, there is some cool t-shirts that I can't really post because I guess the trend right now is naked chicks on the t-shirts, and it's very bold. It's like a bold statement to wear that. But I guess there's some things. I might do a fast kind picture snap right over here. If you saw that, yeah, it was pretty crazy. This is actually what we're gonna check out today. It's called Keisei Matsuri. We're gonna be parading all around here in Ameya Yokocho. So yeah, all around here in Ameya Yokocho. Right now I'm also waiting because there's a parade, there's a Matsuri. They're gonna be carrying some cool stuff over by the local university that they have. So we're gonna try to film that, and then that's gonna be it. That's my goal for today here in Ueno, Ameya Yokocho. You can see this spot right here. Cool little restaurant. I guess it's like izakaya, and they have some good food. The smell is so awesome, and it is hot. Here is Maguro Ichiba. So at nighttime, around even like afternoon time, these stalls will be filled up. There's even a Thai restaurant here. Cool, man. Get some pad Thai. It's on the second floor. Do you see that? And then there's also all of these cool dried goods that they have. Seaweed. So nori, that's nori. In Japanese, nori means seaweed. And more shisha bars where you can just smoke and just chill out in the streets, man. Look at that. This one has like some dried goods. It's pretty cool. Hello. What is it?
1,000 taco fish.
Oh, I cannot bring.
Okay.
Airport. Thank you very much.
Okay,
That is
no
awesome.
problem.
They have a lot of dried squid and goods. But thank you so much. Good to see you. But damn, look at that. The guys have been trying to hook me up with 1,000 yen, and I can get all that squid. This is a cool place here in Ameya Yokocho in Ueno, Tokyo. I gotta keep saying that. Hello. Irashaimase. Look at all the fruits here. And then of course we're gonna stop by this place and get more cool goodies. It's right at the entrance. So this is the entrance of Ameya Yokocho. And just over there is Ueno Park. And all the way over there is Ueno Zoo. This restaurant must be busy because look at the line. That is a long line. Right under the tracks here in Ueno. All right, we're still in Ameya Yokocho. We found the Keisei Matsuri that they're about to have. It's this cool like parade of art piece that they made. I'll show you how it looks, and then we'll wrap it up. So this is the Keisei Matsuri. I think they're gonna start at 12. They're gonna parade this through the streets of Ueno, Ameya Yokocho. As you can see, everyone else is lined up and ready to see and wait. Yeah, so they're getting ready to perform. They're gonna parade the streets of Ueno, Ameya Yokocho. This is the Geidai Machi Matsuri. The Geidai Machi Matsuri, they're gonna parade the omikoshi, or their omikoshi, their own thing that they made throughout Ameya Yokocho and Ueno. It's very cool to see this. It's a full art university. It's like a giant peacock. I think they're going that way. Matsuri right now. They're bringing the omikoshi around. I'm not gonna go follow that because that is so much people, and this street is maybe only like 3 cars long, so it's crazy. But I hope you guys enjoyed these cool stuff that you can do here in Ameya Yokocho, Ueno, Tokyo, Japan. Cheers! I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace! I'm out!